to Algebra 2 with Trigonometry. This is Chapter 1, and these are the first set of videos that you'll need to watch for Chapter 1. This covers the information from Section 1-4, and this is a lot of review of the concepts you learned in Algebra 1. So if you're starting to watch these videos and going, I remember how to do this stuff, please feel free to use these videos only as a resource if you can complete the work without watching the videos. Our first concept today is on evaluating expressions. And that is when we take an algebraic expression such as this first one in A, and we look at it and say, hey, we've got q squared plus 4qr minus r squared, and we need to evaluate it for r equals 3 and q equals 7. Now, if you recall, going way back in math, evaluate means to find that value. So the first thing I want to do is substitute in. So being that q equals 7, I'm going to have 7 squared plus 4 times q, which is again 7, times r, which is 3, minus r squared, so minus 3 squared. And then I need to use my order of operations, which we'll talk about a little later. But I know that 7 squared is 49, and 4 times 7 is 28, and I'm going to leave the times 3, minus 3 squared, which is 9. 28 times 3, well, I know 20 times 3 is 60, and 8 times 3 is 24, so that gives me 84, and so I've got 49 plus 84 minus 9. 49 plus 84, 9 plus 4 is 13, we'll carry our 1, 8 plus 1 is 9, plus 4 is 13, so we have 133 minus 9, and when I subtract that, I like to subtract 10 and add 1, so that gives me 124. Looking at my next example here, I have x squared y minus xy squared plus 3y for x equals 2 and y equals 5. So x squared y would be 2 squared times 5 minus xy squared, which is 2 times 5 squared, plus 3y, which is 3 times 5. 2 squared is 4, 4 times 5 is 20, minus 5 squared is 25, times 2 is 50, plus 3 times 5, which is 15. 20 minus 50 is negative 30. Negative 30 plus 15 is negative 15.